ADC diagnostic instruments can play an essential role in a comprehensive physical exam. And with our new 3.5V USB handle, keeping your set recharged and ready is easier than ever. The new handle can be used with all Diagnostics brand instrument heads in our 5400 series: otoscopes, ophthalmoscopes, dermoscopes, and throat illuminators. The universal bayonet mount is also compatible with other brands of 3.5V instrument heads. Head changes are quick, easy, and convenient. One lithium-ion battery and an 18-inch USB Type-C charging cable are included. USB handles are fully charged in only 3.5 hours. That translates to 10 hours of continuous lighting time when paired with LED lamps, or 3.5 hours for instruments using xenon lamps. A status light is located on the bottom of the handle to indicate battery strength. When red, the handle needs charging. Flashing green means the handle is currently being charged. A solid green light means the unit is fully charged. Like others in our 3.5V Diagnostic series, the USB handle is machined from solid brass, then chrome-plated in black with a ribbed surface for added grip. Use the Adtronic electronic rheostat to turn lighting on and off. Hold and turn the Easy Grip dial to vary the light intensity, making it stronger or weaker as needed. An auto-off feature will engage after 2 minutes to preserve battery life. Next, let's compare the new USB handle to our socket-style plug-in handle, model 5460. Both use a lithium-ion battery. The USB handle is rated at 2600 mAh, while the socket plug-in is 1400. When paired with LED lighting, the USB handle offers 10 hours continuous use. The socket plug-in handle offers 30. When paired with xenon lighting, the USB handle offers 3.5 hours continuous use. The socket plug-in handle offers 2 to 3. Both handles are C-sized. The USB handle measures 1.1 inches in diameter and is just under 5.5 inches long. The socket plug-in handle measures 1.1 inches in diameter and is just over 6 inches long. The USB handle weighs 0.55 pounds and the socket plug-in weighs 0.6 pounds. Both handles feature a bayonet mount and come with a 2-year warranty. For more information, contact your ADC sales representative or customer service, or visit our website at www.adctoday.com.